Ka anyị gaa n'ihu n'akụkọ anyị. Mbe pleaded with the birds to follow them to the feast. The birds looked at one another. Then the oldest bird smiled. Mbe, ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ iso anyị gaa, anyị ga-enyere gị aka. Mbe, if you truly want to come with us, we will help you. Obi tọrọ Mbe ụtọ. Mbe's heart was filled with joy. But there was still one problem. Mbe enweghị nku. Mbe had no wings. So each bird gave him otu nku, one feather. Soon, they tied the feathers together and made beautiful wings for him. Mbe stretched them. Fla, fla, fla. Suddenly, Mbe wee felie n'eluigwe. Mbe flew into the sky. Together they flew across forests, rivers, and villages until they finally arrived at the great feast in the sky. The tables were filled with delicious food. Mbe smiled. Then he turned to the
Ndị enyi m, tupu anyị
birds.
amalite iri nri, ọ ga-adị mma ka onye ọbụla họrọ aha ọhụrụ.
Ọ dịkwa mma. The birds loved the idea. One after another, they all chose names. Then it was Mbe's turn. He smiled, looked at every bird, and said, "Aha m ga-abụ unu niile. My name shall be all of you." The birds laughed. "Oh, Demma, that's a fine name. But why did Mbe choose the name unu niile?" Anyị ga-amụta ya na episode 3. Watch out for the next episode. Daalụnụ.